Hi students, we are going to discuss about the articles. It's the fourth chapter of your English grammar book. Which are the articles? A and the. A and the. These are the articles. Where do we use articles? We use article before a noun. We use article before a noun. There are two kinds of articles. Which are they? Indefinite articles and definite article. Indefinite articles and definite article. Which are the indefinite articles? Article a or an. Article a or an. Which is the definite article? Article the. So, indefinite articles are called indefinite because they do not refer a particular things, place, animals or persons. They do not refer a particular things. These refer a general things. Indefinite articles refer general things. For example, a pen, a car, an elephant. All these do not refer a particular things. Next, definite article. Definite article is called definite because it refers a particular person, place, animals or things. It refers a specific thing. It refers a specific things. For example, the India Gate, the President, the flag, the Ganga, the Yamuna, all these refer a particular, a specific things. Dear students, now we will see the use of indefinite articles. Which are the indefinite articles? A or an. We use a before words that begin with a consonant or consonant sound. We use a before words that begin with a consonant or consonant sound. Which are the consonant letters? All the letters except the vowel letters. Which are the vowel letters? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel letters. Except all these vowel letters, other all letters are called consonant letters. So we use article A before the words that begin with the consonant or consonant sound. It depends upon the sounds. For example, I had a heavy breakfast. Here the noun is heavy breakfast. The word heavy starts with the consonant letter. What is that? H. So we use article A. We use articles A before the consonant letter. A heavy breakfast. Next one, that is a pretty ring. Here the pretty ring is the noun. So the word pretty starts with the consonant letter. What is that? P. So before the consonant letter we use article A. A pretty ring. Dear students, we also use A before words that begin with a vowel but have a consonant sound. Some words are there that begins with a vowel letter but have consonant sound. See, for example, Mummy bought a uniform at the shop. U. Here the sounds comes U, Y, U, U. Y is a consonant letter. So we use article A before that word. A uniform. It depends upon the sounds. It depends upon the first letter of the word. U. Here the sound, consonant sound comes. So we use article A. It is the exception case way. Next, article an is used before words that begin with a vowel or vowel sound. Where do we use article an? We use article an before the words begin with the vowel or vowel sound. For example, an elephant at the sanctuary gave birth to a calf. which is noun here, elephant. The word elephant starts with the vowel letter E. So we use article and before that, an elephant. Next one, take an umbrella with you as it might rain. Here the noun is umbrella. So the word umbrella starts with the vowel letter U. So we use article an before that. Article an is used before the words that begins with a vowel or vowel sound. Here also it depends upon the sounds. Dear students, we also use an before words that begin with a consonant but have a vowel sound. We also use an before words that begin with the consonant but have a vowel sound. Students, some words are there that begins with the consonant letter but have a vowel sound. Here also it depends upon the sounds of the first letter of the word. For example, I will reach in an hour. Here the word hour starts with the consonant letter. Then also we use article and before that. What is the reason? Here H is silent. So here comes the vowel sound, hour. Here H is silent, so the word hour begins with the vowel sound A. So we use article an. So dear students, one thing you have to keep in your mind that article A is used in front of singular countable noun. Singular countable noun. Article A is used in front of singular countable nouns. A person, animal or thing, which are not specific. We don't use article A before uncountable or plural nouns. Uncountable means which we cannot count it. It is called uncountable. So we don't use A before uncountable or plural nouns. If a noun starts with the consonant sound, which are the consonant letters? All the letters except the vowel letters. So if a noun starts with the consonant sound, A comes before the noun. A comes before that noun. If a noun starts with the consonant sound or consonant letter, A comes before that noun. For example, a cat, a bird, a child, a doctor, a house, a bike, a boy, a table, which are not specific. See, next article an is used in front of singular countable nouns. Article an is also used in front of a singular countable nouns, which are not specific. But we don't use an before uncountable or plural nouns. We don't use an before uncountable or plural nouns. Dear students, if the noun starts with a vowel sound, means A, E, I, O, U. If the noun starts with a vowel sound, an comes before that noun. If the noun starts with a vowel sound, an comes before that noun. For example, an apple, an egg, an ant, an orange, an hour, an aunt, an old man, an uncle. Here an hour, that is exceptional. The word hour starts with the consonant letter H, but we used article an before that noun. What is the reason? Here H is silent. Hour. Here comes the vowel sound. So we used article an before that noun. Students, next we can see the use of definite article the The use of article the. The is used when we talk about a particular noun. When we talk about a particular noun, we use article the. Example, the earth, the house on the corner, the boy I was talking to, the book on the table is mine. All these examples show particular noun. See, the earth, the house on the corner. See, next one, the is also used when we talk about a kind or class of nouns. For example, the French and the Italian teams are staying in this hotel. It shows a kind or class of nouns. Then, when we talk about a person or place or animal or thing for the first time, we use article a or an. But, however, when we talk about it again, we use article the. See, when we talk about it again, we use article the. For example, there is a pond in the park. There is a pond in the park. The pond is full of fish. In the first sentence, we use article a. See, when again we talk about the pond, same pond, so we use article the. The pond is full of fish. This one, my aunt lives in a cottage. Here we use article a cottage. Then again we are talking about the same cottage. So we use article the. The cottage has a lovely garden. Then the is used before certain proper nouns such as rivers, mountains, oceans, buildings, books, newspaper and so on. See, the is also used before certain proper nouns such as rivers, name of the rivers, mountains, oceans, buildings, books, newspaper or holy books. There we use article the. For example, the Ganga, the Himalaya, the Indian Ocean, the Red Fort, the Ajanta and Ellora caves and the Bible, the Quran. Students, here also one thing you have to keep in your mind that we use article the in front of all the nouns. It does not matter whether the nouns are singular, plural, countable or uncountable. So, we use the in front of all the nouns. To describe someone or something specific or particular or unique. For what? To describe someone or something specific, unique or particular. Dear students, I hope you all have understood the use of article a and the. Have a nice day. Thank you.